The story of the origin of the name of the city of Tapak Tuan. Long ago there lived a pair of dragons who were expelled from China because they had no offspring. Then the dragon saw land, which stretches across the Indian Straits and settles down. One day a nobleman came from across the country with his entourage. Suddenly a storm came and the ship sank and the nobleman was separated with his wife and children. His child was washed away. One day the nobleman came again, accidentally saw a girl who was similar to his first child. Without hesitation he brought the dragon princess. The dragon started looking for the child. Soon the dragon saw that the nobleman had brought their child. The dragon was angry and chased the noble entourage. Not long after a giant man came out of the cave where he was meditating and saw a pair of dragons chasing the noble entourage. From there the battle began between Tuan Tapa and a pair of dragons. Tuan Tapa had a very strong stick to beat the dragon. From there the battle began between Tuan Tapa and a pair of dragons. Tuan Tapa had a very strong stick to beat the dragon. Tuan Tapa managed to defeat the dragon with a magic stick which is still in the Tapak Tuan Sea, and the dragon died on a large and black stone until now it is called a black stone. Tapak Tuan is located on the southwest coast which stretches the Indian Ocean.